This is Lou. Lou gets ghosted by recruiters on a daily basis. He's so frustrated he blames it on the company. Why can't they see how hard I work? Work hard? Lou, your resume is trash. Lou's resume is so stinky. Every time a recruiter sees it, all she wants to do is throw it away. She runs away to Bob. Bob is a professional. He is so good at being a dev, recruiters fight over him in his inbox. Bob is the one ghosting these recruiters. I got really red-pilled when my team was hiring developers for the first time. We wanted to make the team bigger. We were hiring senior developers and we were going to hire junior developers. We wanted to learn as much as possible from these developers as well as have a good time with them. We were looking for just a chill person to hang around with. But the thing is, when these resumes started coming in, okay, on LinkedIn, on Indeed, as well as, email, these developers sucked. They expected us to go through these Bibles of resumes for what? The honest truth is that nobody gives a about your work. Nobody gives a What they give about is what you, the developer, can do for the company. So if I go on your resume and I read, I know TypeScript, I know Python, I know C#, I know Java, I know R, I know SQL, I know C++. No one cares, man. It is the most cringiest thing when someone writes a section in their resume where they list all the languages they know. Nobody cares about that, man. It doesn't matter how many languages you know. It matters what you did for the company. What did you master? What are you good at? We are hiring you to be a software developer, right? It is very important that you sell yourself on your resume. On your resume is where you start writing to sell yourself. And on that first interview is where you sell yourself using your words. That is for another video. The marketing video. Check that marketing video out if you want to know about how to speak your way into getting a job. But if you want to write great things about yourself to get that interview, this is what you need to do. Google created this formula. It's called the XYZ formula. But this is going to be a more boiled down version of it, what I'm about to tell you right now. You need to think in terms of variables. I helped company save X hours or X dollars doing Y by Z. All right, let me give you an example. I created this app to save a lot of time for journalists. So in my resume, currently I write, I help save at least 50% of the hours that journalists work analyzing survey responses by using a custom pipeline of the algorithm was called BM25 and GPT-2 API calls. Okay, so I would write it out like that. I'm telling the company that I saved them a lot of journalist hours by doing something really technical, okay? If a recruiter is reading it, then she sees the outcome of it. If a CTO is reading it, then he or she sees the technical aspect of it. So it's very important to show exactly what you did to the company, both on a business level as well as a technical level. If you're doing something as a personal project, this is what you would do. I created this app to help me summarize YouTube videos, okay, as part of a side project. So I would write, I created an app that saved a lot of hours of people watching YouTube videos by creating a pipeline that summarized YouTube videos using the GPT-3 API. Simple, right? Show exactly what you achieved with that tool that you built as a software engineer, and you should be golden. One actionable step that I can tell you right now that you can do is this. Make a list on a piece of paper. Don't do it on Notion. Do it on a piece of paper because then you have a personal relationship with it. Write down all of the experiences you have as a software developer. Rank them according to how much you've learned from that project and what you've achieved. Don't rank them by date. Don't be like that. Rank them by knowledge extracted from that experience. And write down what the outcome was. How much time did you save them? How much money did you save them? What did you learn from them? What is the problem that you actually solved for the company? And if you're like me, you're gonna have some experiences where you didn't really do anything useful at the company. In that case, I would recommend you go build some nice projects that actually do save people time. They don't actually have to be popular, but they have to be capable to save people time or money, okay? This is a hard game, man. This is software engineering. If you want to have an easy job, go work at McDonald's. But I know you don't belong there. I know you are a great software engineer with a legacy, all right? We can't be like those software engineers that just do it for the money, bro. Those software engineers, they start applying. They just send their one stupid resume to all the companies out there. And the first one that says yes, they go work for them. Those loser developers stay away from them. As far as you possibly can, stay away from them. You and me, we're the type of developers who get multiple offers in their inbox. You are the one that should be able to ghost the recruiters. If you want to have a reputation of being a good developer, you must value yourself as someone who creates great things. So create this good resume, go apply for jobs and get all these offers in your inbox and start making people fight over you because that is who you are. You must know your own value. For a limited time only, I'm going to be doing resume reviews and I want you to be part of it, okay? Completely for free. Click the link below in the description, join the community, go to the dedicated resume reviews channel and put your resume there, or DM me or my brother or anyone who else who's in the server and get all the feedback you can get on your resume, all right? I want you to get that good job. Life is a gift given by the gods, so make a proper use of it. I'll check you in the next video. Take it easy. Love you. Take care. Bye.